everything is a human basically shaped all these institutions if he wants to. If there is a one person who can influence a many or the millions of the people, if he said anything, millions of people will follow that. Like if you have some kind of a celebrities in the life, are you impressed by Hamza, do you have some kind of a celebrities in your life to whom you like the most?
Yeah.
Can you let me know the name of anyone?
Kevin Hart.
Okay. Hamza, what do you like about this celebrity?
He's really funny.
He's very funny, and you like his fun. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, are you impressed by his fun, or do you have any kind of celebrity you like? Some okay, this is, you said you like his sense of humor. Is there anyone you like their dressing, their acting? Is there anyone who basically influenced you, and you are the influenced by that particular celebrity? Do you have in your life?
No, not really.
Not really. Is there any sportsman? Is there anyone?
Yeah.
Actor, actress, could be anyone.
There's a boxer.
Okay, there is a boxers. Now,
Yeah.
Hamza, you can see in that world might be possible you have one person, but that's mean you are impressed by someone. So that particular
Yeah.
celebrity, that particular man has an ability to influence so many people. If
Yeah.
you're watching some kind of a sports, and if you are living in Pakistan, the young generation will talk about, for example, Shahid Afridi, because all these people are impressed by this particular man game. If you're talking about, for example, politics, some people will say they like Nawaz Sharif, and some will say they like Imran Khan. So that's mean they are those people who can influence millions of the people. So if they said that you need to do this, millions of people will follow this, millions of people will do that without concerning or without the impacting of any kind of institution. Sometimes you might think so that why people do that. Their first institution, like they didn't learn from that their home, they didn't learn from their society, they didn't learn from the religion, they didn't learn from the a special kind of a politics. But apart from all this stuff, they are doing such kind of activities. Why? Because they have been asked by their celebrities or their leaders. So interpretivism said that human is a very powerful thing. He has an ability, or the individual has an ability to influence all the institution working around any particular man. Are you getting my